no introduction. He needs no publicity. He needs no promotion. He only needs you to give a big round of applause. I want to hear you say it one time, loud and clear. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3, burn!
They said that the fire was gone, but it never left. Hotter than the brimstone found deep in the devil's chest. No religion, I hold a vision farther than heaven's steps. Hope you listen, ain't no forgiving, driven by every breath. My pops couldn't stuck around, but instead he left. So he met his death, fuck grieving, I'm already stressed. Bring it to the calisthenics, nice steady reps. I'm doing heavy sex, drinking on every rest. They say I'm very blessed, I think a different way. I sell a clip of Ye and Naya got kicks today. I ain't got shit to say, this is just a sick display. Street religion I give them, grab a clip and pray. I'm legendary and sharper than 10 machetes. My vocals invoke spirits and wake up the cemeteries where acres of men are buried. My hands on the Eagles and the only safeties I know they play in the secondary. You haters are never ready. My words dope, take them in vain. They have you shaking like patients from epilepsy. I'm saying you best respect me, the last one of its kind, a street prophet. You better pray that this vest protect me. Don't wait till the feds arrest me. My life should be celebrated. Visions of middle-aged niggas saying they never made it. The world segregated, the have and have-nots. Blast shots, what you expect? We ain't been educated. I'm mentally elevated, I'm meant to be levitated. Those who oppose me is eventually devastated. I'm hated by many, respected by all, loved by the ones who told me I was destined to fall. Aggressive and raw, I don't use discretion at all. Artistic violence, all of my weapons could draw. From here to eternity, my words would be surgery. Mercifully, the devil will curse whoever gave birth to me. The proof is my solitude, this is church for me. You shouldn't even exist on the same earth as me. Send them straight to Mercury for trying to spit a verse of me. I'm perfectly chiseled from cast iron. My verses are scriptures from past Zion. I worship the pistol and blast iron, submerged in the issues of skag buying. My vivid tales of street horror leave scars in the worst part of your brain to destroy it like Pearl Harbor. This boy is the world's author. Autobiographical scriptures, the first father. Just listen and work harder.
He needs no introduction. He needs no publicity. He needs no promotion. He only needs you to give a big round of applause. I want to hear you say it one time, loud and clear. On the count of three.